All right, thanks for that. Well, the city gas distribution companies like IGL and MGL have been trading higher. As CNBC-TV18 learns from sources that the cabinet may now take up the gas pricing issue in the upcoming meet. Remember, earlier this week, the government kept APM gas prices unchanged at $8.57 per MMBTU. The new gas pricing regime will kick in if the Kirit Parikh recommendations are accepted. In fact, when we spoke to Kirit Parikh himself, he was quite sure that, the recommendations would be accepted at some point. Even Probal Sen, who we spoke to earlier in the day, had that conviction. Sonal is joining in with details of what the stock impact of all of this could be. Sonal, over to you.
Thank you so much for that. Well, yes, this time around the gas prices, they have been kept unchanged. They did say in their notification that till the time they are further revised, they will be kept at $8.57 per MMBTU. If we actually go by Kirit Parikh recommendations, which spoke about a range in which gas prices would be kept between $4 to $6.50 per MMBTU, where $4 would be the floor here and $6.50 per barrel per MMBTU would be the ceiling, which will be seeing an increase of $0.5 every year according to these recommendations. They also spoke about complete liberalization from 1st Jan 2027, and for difficult fields they expected liberalization to kick in by 1st Jan 2026. These are all for the older fields. Newer fields will continue to enjoy marketing freedom as well. There is an expectation that this could be improved with slight changes, but the big question is by when will they be actually approved? Because if approved, it would be a big positive for city gas distribution companies, which are the biggest consumers of domestic gas in the country. This would lead to lower gas costs for these companies by say $2 per MMBTU, and this would have an impact of 7.7 to 8 rupees per kg in terms of their input costs here. Of course, they can pass it on to customers, partially keep it, but in all, it will be beneficial both for their volumes and margins as well. 87% of their overall volumes come in from the domestic segment, CNG segment that is. So if approved, it will be a big positive, and we are, of course, our colleague is learning that this could be taken up in the next cabinet meet. So that is something we'll be tracking as well.
All right, the street likes what they hear, and the street believes that maybe this will eventually go through, which is why after a big decline on Monday, we are seeing strong recovery from lows on this